Hello, 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 everybody. Welcome back to Nazi Zombie Army Trilogy. It is I, Jay, of Jay Plays Games, of course. Where else would you be, today, this morning, tonight, whenever you're watching? 3 a.m. when you got nothing better to do, when you probably should be studying for finals, or whatever it is you college kids do. Nowadays, I had to say my beard is looking mighty fantastic in the cam. Oh, I like it. All right, so where are we going? Oh, right. So Subway to Hell. In our last video, I ran around and screamed like a little girl. Terribly. That's a terrible thing to do. So we're gonna get back in this. I know the last one was short. We've heard this before. The last one was short, and I stopped at the first safe room, mainly because I was going nuts. Now I was trying to figure out scope, R reload, E is for my lung, pick up ammo is E. I was trying to figure out which was F is use item. Okay. All right. Glad I figured out how to do that. Okay, I saved and I picked up all the stuff and I saved. So we're gonna continue on our way. So I'm working on getting us some VR videos up. Oh. I should not talk and shoot at the same time. Oh, are you still here? Oh. Oh man, that was that was the worst showing ever. Well then. It's apparent that that guy didn't go nowhere. Oh my god, he is a dodgy little fella, isn't he? Oh, fuck. Oh man, I do not know how I'm gonna handle this. He is undoubtedly gonna kill me. Oh, get around the corner. Oh. I have nowhere to run. Can I run past him? Oh, I can. Oh! Can we start the video over? Like, can I, like, go back and do the whole thing? Because this guy is working on my nerves. Like, I almost feel like maybe my goal should be just to run past him and get out of the tunnel and fight him where I may have... Oh! Oh, yeah, that's nice. Oh, alright. Alright, let's reload. Alright, we can do this better this time. Oh. Ah! There's like nowhere to hide in this little hallway. This is why I ran from him the first time. There's like nowhere to hide. There's... Alright, so we're just gonna try and run past him. We're gonna run past him this time. Instead of trying to fight him in the tunnel, we're gonna run past him. Oh! Oh! Did I get him? Must have got him. Alright. That way is blocked off, so I guess I'm going upstairs. Alright. Oh. Bombs over Berlin. Oh. No. Crouch. Oh. Ah! What? What was that? Oh, bloody hell. Yo, oh. This game has got me questioning my skill tonight. I'm making this video late at night. It's like 12 o'clock and like, holy cow. It's like, this video has really got me questioning on whether I'm good at video games right now. Alright. Got him. Okay, good. Alright. Alright, space kick. Okay. Like, no, okay. I would really much like to get a... Oh, bump you, skeleton dude. Alright. Like, I'm starting to believe these are leftovers from when I just like ran through there hollering and screaming bloody murder. Alright, got one. I hate these little sniper dudes. They jump all around and I hate them. And they have guns, so it's not like they're like real undead. I think there was only one of them. No. God. Sure, let me just send a couple suicide zombies his way. Moved. I'm gonna have to get closer. Got him. Alright, that takes care of one of those. See, he has a heart. The other zombies don't have hearts. Why? Because they're, well, I don't know. I mean, I guess they could be real zombies. Oh, there he is. You jumpy jump bastard. Well, come on. Gotcha. Alright. I'm not even looking down the scope. Like, I'm aiming down the scope in, like, real life. I'm trying to look down the scope to shoot him, and he's just like, oh, I'm no scope, and I'm not even gonna sync up to you. Alright. Breathe. 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 Alright. Alright, Jay. Alright, Jay. To the left, to the left. Oh! Oh, fudge. That was the worst thing that could happen. I may have lied. Ah, missed. Jeez. Oh. Oh, really? Did y'all need to start coming from the other direction? Oh, did you really need to come from the other direction? Can I have a break now? No. Oh. Oh. Like I would really like y'all to give it a rest. Jeez. Oh my gosh. I had to take a break from this game. It was intense. Well, the last video. The reason the last video was so short is I just had to take a break from it. It was intense and I wasn't prepared for it because it had been a while since I played. Oh, just stand still and let the zombies encircle you. Slow down. Oh, you know what? Yep. Fudge. That didn't kill anybody. I'm running out of ammo. Oh, running. Did not decide to run soon enough. Alright. Boosh. Boosh. And boosh. I like that y'all want to give me carbine ammo. I really do. But there's just too much death walking around for me to be able to say, hey, let me for me to just say, hey, carbine, I need to pick up some ammo. Alright. Ja. I don't see no more Skeletors. Oh my god, alright. Alright. Ugh. Why you gotta giggle and say two like that? Ugh. And here's the other skull key. Hmm. I feel with all the children and giggling that something terrible is going to happen. Oh, it's a safe room. Haha, yes. Safe room. I'm so happy to see a safe room. There can't be much more to this level. I am getting text messages like crazy. Probably should have turned turned my phone on do not disturb. So it wouldn't be making noises all up in the video. I apologize about that, everybody. I really do. I keep looking over here because, well, strangely, sometimes I look over here to check myself out in the camera, make sure I don't look too ridiculous. So I keep looking over here, thinking the camera's over here to look at y'all and talk to y'all, but the camera's over here. And so I look over here and I start talking to y'all, but I kind of seem like a fool. So, oh well. Okay. I think I want to go ahead and end this here. It's only been a short couple minutes, but there's a whole bunch of other videos I gotta get, and I'm doing a whole bunch of videos at one time, and I probably should only do like two or three, but there's a whole bunch of stuff I want to get up because there's a whole bunch of stuff I want to play, and I just want to fill my channel full of videos. And we're gonna go ahead and stop this here, but I'm gonna say like I said earlier, I'm working on getting some Oculus Rift videos up. I am working with it, trying to get like the settings right and how I like it, so I would be able to do some Oculus Rift videos for y'all and do some VR stuff. I'm really excited about Arizona Sunshine. That's the main reason, is Arizona Sunshine. I'm really excited about it. I want to play it, but I want to play it with y'all, for y'all. So there's that. Also, like I said, I've got like 8 games I'm trying to play right now at one time. What you gonna do? There's just so many things I want to do, and I might go back down to just playing this and doing short roam videos for y'all, or maybe even cut my roam videos down to just showing y'all the battles and stuff like that. And that might be how I want to do my Total War games, just because I like Total War and I really think they're really cool, and I like showing off myself as a grand strategist. And I know a whole lot of the campaign map stuff is boring and everybody likes to watch the nitty gritty stuff, so maybe I'll do that. Who knows? But that's it for this right here. Hit the like button if you like the video. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments below, because I definitely need more input so I can be better for y'all and make my channel better, of course. And so if you I say so a lot, don't I? So and yeah, I do that a lot. I have a speech issue, I guess. Who knows? Anyways, hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so yet, and we'll see you in the next video.